Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 10 Zoom, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up a couple of seconds ago my fingerprint here, as can you see, and now I'll just show you how fast and how useful this unlock method is on our Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. So I'll make a couple of tries, for example the 5 times, and we'll just see the difference between all of these times. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. As can you see, the fingerprint unlock is really fast unlock method here on this device, because I think that's that just takes less than 1 second, maybe the half second. So I think that's really cool and useful feature on this device. And if you just like some unlock methods like the fingerprint or unlock face unlock, and if you don't like the password to enter the passwords or the patterns, so I think that the fingerprint unlock method will be really cool and useful for you. So I just suggest you to try to use this unlock method on your Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.